A long-awaited feature, custom domains, have arrived. This is similar to last video with the PHP code that you could host on your own website for the customer panel, except for you don't need to host anything. So you just need a domain name. You can get one free at freenom.com if you don't have one. And so what you're going to want to do is go into, add your domain to whatever. I would recommend Cloudflare. That's going to be the best for fending off DDoS attacks, so your customer panel stays up all the time. So add your domain to Cloudflare, come into DNS, add record, CNAME. The alias can be anything. I'm going to do login here. But yeah, that alias is just a subdomain, so whatever you want, it does not matter. And then the target is panel.keyauth.win. Make sure that it's on the orange cloud for proxied. Alright, good. And then we're going to come over to the security tab on Cloudflare, Firewall Rules. And then we're going to do create firewall rule. Just call, you can name it whatever. Customer panel. Okay, and then so we're going to do when field URL full is equal to, and you don't have to, you don't have to do this part if you don't want to, the URL full part. I'm just doing that to show you that to have it only on your customer panel. Equals actually contains, and then whatever your custom URL is. So in my case, login.mydomain. But you could do, whatever the one is that you set in the DNS, and then click the and button, and then do known bots is not, and then do the and button again. Actually, no, that's all you gotta do. Okay, and then change block to manage challenge, deploy. Okay, good with that. Then come to settings inside of the Cloudflare security tab and change the challenge passage to 1 year. And then what happens with that is if I go to another tab, when I pull it up, the website will show a challenge the first time, and then a year, until for a year longer it won't, show any challenge. And so that's a great DDoS mitigation, since Cloudflare's default mitigation isn't great. Okay, and now we're gonna go to here and see, looking like that. Okay, and then as you can see, it says panel does not exist. So what you're gonna want to do is come into the app settings and put in your URL. And there it is. Quite simple. Hope you found this helpful. Thank you.